Ikundi itiganite na andu kiumbe aria mararegana na itanya ria gucenjia watho rungu rwa mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI merite igoti ria gucokia cira riko atene kuhenio rirahenio rigirwo ati ene riboti ino ni Junet na Dennis Waweru ene kuma ithugunda-ini ni President Uhuru wa Kenyatta na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga. Mawakiri a ikundi ici merite igoti ati President na Odinga manyitanire na makehithania itanya-ini ria gucenjia watho kigwatio-ini kia kurehe thayo na rugendo-ini ruru magararite mawatho mothe ma gucenjia gatiba na nikio magiriire kurugamio matanakinyia matanya mao. Waweru wa Nyambura niwe na riboti ino.
Ahotani itoinire igoti rinene cira-ini wa kurugamia itanya ria gucenjia watho rungu rwa mendekithia ma riboti ya BBI nio mahetwo mweke wa gutemania itumi ria metikitie itua riu ritiagiriire gucenjio ona ndemwa ni igoti ria gucokia cira riko.
The effect of all those amendments was to substantially alter the constitution. Some of them could not be described as anything other than an alteration of the basic structure or features of the constitution.
So the question is, the BBI initiative, is it amending or repealing by implication? If it is repealing, there is no provision in our constitution of repealing, either expressly or by implication.
The finding of the report was that many provisions in the bill, the proposed amendment bill, were unconstitutional. But surprisingly went ahead and said, but we recommend it be enacted.
Mawakiri amwe huyu maugite ati President Uhuru Kenyatta ona watho ta mwitikiretie atongoria itanya ria gucenjia watho mari na Raila Odinga makoretwo na mubango wa kwagarara wendi wa muingi kuhingia matanya ma ngoro ciao mehithanitie motho-ini ma andu angi na magiriire kurugamio matahuthirite iturwa na uge wao kuhingia mibango yao.
We submit that though the handshake was packaged as an initiative to promote national unity, cohesion, fostering cohesion and bringing about unity, it was a Trojan horse. A Trojan horse packaged as a unity package by the state to use executive powers to amend the constitution.
The fingerprints and footprints of the President of the Republic are strewn and splattered all over this heinous affront on the constitution of our country.
Makihugukira commission ya ithurano maugite ati IEBC ndari na mubango murungaru wa guthurima irore iria cionganirio kunyita mbaru mubango uyu. IEBC no iritwo ati ndihariirie kuigana gutabania kura ya mawoni na ndikoretwo ikiandikithia andu ta aikia a kura na gukiri uguo kura ya mawoni ingitikirio itabanio andu magiriire gucuka miti no makaimwo mweke ucio no wa muthingi murugamo wa mawakiri aya ni ati IEBC ndiri na commissioner aiganu akumitereba gukinyaniria mubango wa bata ta kurugamirira kura ya gucenjia watho.
What faults do they find in that holding by the High Court that they must undertake voter registration before a referendum? They are saying they can only do that after they receive that bill from the president. Yet the very provisions that they wish to rely on, should there be need for a referendum, prohibit.
Requirement is that the people must be given an opportunity to participate because that is their political right, number one. They must also be allowed, if they have attained the age of being able to vote, to be registered.
Changes to a constitution by amendment does not begin at the collection of signatures. It begins from the enactment stage. We demonstrate to this court that the bill, the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020, I would call the impugned bill, was not prepared in such a manner.
Mawakiri maya magatiria cira wao muthenya wa Juma niguo acirithania ya mugwanja igoti ria gucokia cira riko mambiririe gucunga miario ya hakuhi kiumia kigima magithugunda itua riria makaumbuka nario thutha mutheri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.